Most people don't even know that farmers are desperately searching for affordable organic fertilizer. And anyone who can produce consistent, natural compost can turn this demand into a serious income stream. As demand for chemical-free farming explodes worldwide, entrepreneurs who enter early are building high-margin businesses with low raw material costs and long-term government support. In this video, I'll walk you through how to start an organic fertilizer business from scratch. You'll learn the machines you need, the total investment, setup requirements, daily production, profit steps, marketing strategy, and a real success story that proves this business works. Stay until the end because the scaling roadmap will help you turn a simple compost unit into a full fertilizer brand. Would you start this business in your area? Comment below. Organic fertilizer demand is rising sharply as farmers prioritize soil health and long-term crop quality. In 2026, organic fertilizer demand is projected to rise above 14 to 16% globally as farmers shift to sustainable agriculture, export-grade crops, and soil restoration programs. Rising awareness of soil damage caused by chemical fertilizers is pushing thousands of farms to switch to organic alternatives. Commercial farms, nurseries, landscapers, greenhouse owners, urban gardeners, and even municipal parks are switching to organic solutions. Countries in Asia, Africa, the EU, and the US are offering grants for composting units, vermicompost farms, and biofertilizer projects, making this one of the easiest eco-businesses to get funded today. Raw materials like cow dung, plant residue, kitchen waste, crop leftovers, and poultry litter are often free or extremely cheap, which makes this one of the lowest-risk manufacturing businesses. This industry has stable demand because plants need organic content every single cycle, which creates year-round buyers. You can start this business with an 800 to 1200 square foot shed that has proper ventilation, a water connection, and a simple drainage system. The setup is easy. Create a loading zone for raw materials, a mixing or composting zone, a curing zone for finished compost, and a bagging and packaging corner. Maintain hygiene by using gloves, masks, and protective gear if you handle animal waste. Temperature control is important for consistent compost quality, so keep a thermometer or basic monitoring tool. If your region requires a trade license, pollution control approval, or waste management permission, complete those formalities before you begin. For equipment, your core machine is the compost mixer or compost turner, which helps aerate and blend raw materials. These units usually cost between $1,000 and $3,000 depending on size. A crusher or pulverizer is useful for breaking lumps and producing fine compost powder, and this typically costs $800 to $2,500. A screening machine removes particles and ensures a smooth, high-quality final product, costing $700 to $1,500. For packaging, a weighing and bag filling machine helps you pack compost into 1 kilogram to 50 kilogram bags with accuracy, usually costing between $1,200 and $3,500. If you want to produce premium granules, you can add a granulator for $3,000 to $7,000 and a dryer for $2,000 to $6,000. A complete small to medium setup generally costs between $5,000 and $15,000. If you need help choosing the right machines or getting verified supplier quotes, use the link below and our team will guide you. Since raw materials are extremely cheap or free, your production cost per ton stays very low. Processing often costs $20 to $50 per ton, including labor and electricity. Market prices for organic fertilizer usually range from $100 to $250 per ton, and premium granulated blends can go above $300. A small unit producing 2 to 5 tons daily can generate strong monthly profit. Most small producers recover their full machine investment within 2 to 6 months because demand is consistent and margins are high. Register your business locally and check if your region requires any environmental or agricultural certification. Create a clean, natural brand identity with earthy colors, clear labeling, usage instructions, and nutrient highlights. Good packaging design builds trust instantly. You can use free tools like Canva to design professional labels for 1 kilogram, 5 kilogram, 10 kilogram, and bulk 50 kilogram bags. A branded fertilizer pack increases your selling price and helps you enter nurseries, garden shops, and agricultural stores with ease. Start by approaching local nurseries, garden centers, landscapers, greenhouse owners, and farms. Offer them trial packs and show results using before and after soil quality comparisons. Create simple videos of your composting process, your packaging, and customer feedback, and post them on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and agriculture forums. Promote your business in local markets, dairy farms, poultry farms, and vegetable markets because they not only provide raw materials, but also potential buyers. Offer bulk deals to farmers and monthly subscription packs for home gardeners. A farmer from the Philippines started a small composting shed behind his farm using cow dung and crop waste that was previously thrown away. At first, he produced only a few hundred kilograms of compost each week, selling mainly to nearby gardeners and a local nursery. As demand grew, he invested in a small pulverizer and screening machine to increase output. Within a year, he was regularly supplying farm stores in 2 districts and selling branded 1 kilogram bags in local garden shops. His small-scale composting project turned into a stable monthly income source, and he eventually hired 2 workers to handle packaging and distribution. This kind of success is common when the product quality stays consistent and the market is growing. Once your production stabilizes, expand by adding premium blends like vermicompost, seaweed-based fertilizer, biofertilizer mixes, or soil enhancer granules. Add a granulator, dryer, or blending machine to diversify your product range. Create subscription models for gardeners and bulk monthly contracts for farms. You can even partner with landscaping companies. With automation and a larger conveyor-based setup, you can double production while keeping labor costs low. Expansion becomes easy once you build a trusted brand. So that's how you can start an organic fertilizer business with the right setup, the right machines, and a strong marketing strategy. This industry has massive long-term demand because farmers and gardeners need organic content every season. With consistent quality and smart branding, you can turn a simple composting unit into a profitable fertilizer brand. Comment below and tell me whether you would start with simple compost or a premium blended fertilizer. And if you need help choosing machines, estimating cost, or finding suppliers, our team will guide you step by step.